Hey guys, is this easier for you to focus? I don't care. Anyway. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Allison if you were new. I was inspired recently based off of a conversation my friend Matthew and I had. I was wanting to do some kind of a burn victim thing, and he came up with the idea of doing Two-Face. So it's my slight homage to the Tommy Lee Jones Two-Face specifically. Going on over here. That's why there's a lot of pinks and purples. Watch the movie, Young Gun. Anyhow, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe while you're here, and without further ado, let's get started. Alright, I hope you guys like my beginner, creepy, Two-Face burn victim situation. Did my glowy face base over here, and then here I've got to go wash this off before it stains my body. So, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe while you're here, and I'll see you in the next one, alright? Bye! I started peeling it and was like, where's my manners? Oh wow, this is satisfying, it doesn't hurt at all. Well, that looks satisfying. I'm gonna go take a shower and make sure this doesn't stain my body. Goodbye.